个月收入3000多块钱，我可以照顾家里的老人跟孩子。
In 1997, while working in Fujian province, Xi Jinping was in charge of the province's assistance for Ningxia.
当时习近平这位领导小组组长嘛，你去看看是不是有可能。发明这个菌草技术啊，就是希望能够帮助贫困地区的农民脱贫致富。
In 1999, Lin Zhanxi set up pilot sites for growing mushrooms in 9 areas. Since then, Juncao technology has been quickly promoted across Ningxia to help reduce poverty. Through years of efforts, the number of impoverished people in Xihaigu dropped from 1.19 million in 1982 to 13,600 by the end of 2019.
我们坚持分类施策，因人因地施策，因贫困原因施策，因贫困类型施策，通过扶持生产就业发展一批，通过异地搬迁安置一批，通过生态保护脱贫一批，通过教育扶贫脱贫一批，通过低保政策兜底一批。
以前的学校是破房子就像土，现在的学校是五颜六色的。
以前就看过电视上的这么好的房子，但没想到它是我们住上了。
我学会了这些技术，不用担心贫困了。
原来是我们让老百姓脱贫，现在的理念是我要脱贫。
제가 난 전쟁 좀 저기 나 송효 난 딩주了나 딩주다
中国基本实现了1000年发展目标，贫困人口减少了4.39亿，在教育、妇女等领域取得显著成就。中国发展不仅增进了13亿多中国人的福祉，也有力地促进了全球发展事业。
China has proven that they're not just talkers, they're doers. They get it done. The numbers speak for themselves.
Bringing 700 million people out of poverty in a matter of 4 decades is no small feat.
China has experimented a lot to find ways to improve economic development, to reduce poverty, and in that process, it's been very successful.
While striving to eradicate poverty at home, China has also offered support and help to developing countries, in particular the least developed countries, in reducing poverty. People outside China call Juncao the China grass. Over 20 years ago, China introduced it to the South Pacific island country, Papua New Guinea.
在东高地省，我们从当地实际情况出发，把它这个项目争取到户，使当地的排除了部落经济的农民得到效益。
It supports the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development, making an important contribution to several SDG goals and targets, from poverty eradication to clean energy, gender equality to preserving biodiversity.
Sharing hybrid rice technology is an important program in China's assistance for the developing countries. In May 2019, the China National Hybrid Rice Research and Development Center opened a branch in Madagascar.
我有一个心愿，发展杂交水稻在全世界来造福世界各国人民。
China's solution to food problems is playing an increasing role in the African continent.
卡麦隆的那个农业
有很多种的难处种啊，所以我觉得来中国学习，看一下我能不能把我们国家的农业发展提高一点。
The Chinese they have helped us, especially in making the products. We can even distribute it to other people around the world.
China was the first developing country to meet the Millennium Development Goals target on poverty reduction and has made significant contribution to global efforts in this regard.
消除贫困，自古以来就是人类梦寐以求的理想，是各国人民追求幸福生活的基本权利。我呼吁，让我们携起手来，为共建一个没有贫困、共同发展的人类命运共同体而不懈奋斗。